Hello guys, once again this is M. Shandilia, an English educator of Campaign Institute Bhagalpur. In today's session we have to learn some idioms and phrases and their Hindi meaning also, and try to learn also. So guys, without killing our time, now the first items of the day, that is hard nut to crack. Fine, it's in this Gambhir Samasya. Hard nut to crack. Like you may put an example, to overcome on corona disease nowadays, it's a really hard nut to crack for each and every country. So what was the items? Hard nut to crack. So difficult work to do. Fine. Now the second items of the day is thorn in the flesh. That is काम में हमेशा होने वाली बाधा. That is biggest obstacle in any work. You may put an example, very simple example. You are proven always a thorn in the flesh. You are always proven a thorn in the flesh. Okay? So what about the second items? Thorn in the flesh, and it's in the is काम में हमेशा होने वाली बाधा. Now the third items of the day, at once back and call. At once back and call, let's see, it's in the नियंत्रण में होना, means कंट्रोल में होना. ठीक है. Particular in India, COVID-19 is at its back and call. Fine. Now the fourth is an acid test. An acid test is what? गंभीर परीक्षण. An acid test, let's frame it. Mata Sita had to put an acid test to be prove herself a real chastity in the time of Ramayana. Fine. Now other items for you. All eyes for an eyes. Let's see, it's in the जैसे को तैसा. Guys, we really need to give the treatment all eyes for an eyes with China, because he did something wrong with us. At once, तुरंत एकाएक, you need to take an action at once. At home. At home, आरामदायक स्थिति में होना. ठीक है? At home. Feel at home. You need not to worry. One day the vaccine of, I think, corona will come and you feel comfortable. All in all, सर्वोपरि, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण, सर्वोपरि जिसको आप कहते हैं. My father is all in all of my family. So simple items, all in all. Achilles heels, सबसे कमजोर पक्ष जिसको कहते हैं आपका, कमजोर पक्ष. जैसे for me, mathematics is my Achilles heels. Now the next items for us, that is add fuel to fire. आग में घी का काम करना, जले पे नमक छिड़कना. Let's see what's it actual in this given. आग में घी डालना. Why you are adding fuel to fire? Because she is already upset. Why you are adding fuel to fire? Okay, because she is already upset. An armchair job. Let's say it's in the आराम एवं अच्छी आय वाली नौकरी. Fine. Doing job in a municipal school, particularly in state level, I think, teaching job, is just an armchair job, in my point of view. An axe to grind, अपना उल्लू सीधा करना, स्वार्थ से भरा उद्देश्य. She has always an axe to grind. Now the next is an iron will. दृढ़ इच्छा इसको कहते हैं. Didiksha. If you have an iron will, then you can do anything, anywhere, anytime. An old flame. Purana pyar. She is very upset by breaking off an old flame. An old head on young shoulder. अपनी उम्र से समझदार होना, यानी जितना उम्र नहीं है उससे ज़्यादा समझदार होना. You really look an old head on a young shoulder. Now the next items, first that an old branch. माफ करेंगे, an olive branch. An olive branch, olive क्या होता है? It's a kind of oil. olive oil आप यूज किए हैं, जैतून का तेल. तो an olive branch is शांति निवेदन. तो it is an olive branch for each and every Indians. Please stay at home to fight against corona. Apple of discard, that is झगड़े का कारण. You may frame Kashmir is an apple of discord between India and Pak. एप्पल ऑफ वन साई, अत्यंत प्यारे जिसको कहते हैं, दुलारा प्यारा, whatever. माई सन इज एप्पल ऑफ माई. एप्पल पाउडर व्यवस्थित क्रम में, बिल्कुल ठीक हालत में. ओके, दैट्स फाइन. एप्पल पाउडर, प्लीज पुट ऑल दिस शेयर एप्पल पाउडर. एंड द लास्ट ऑफ द डे, द एडम्स इज एट अ लूज. निर्णय ना ले पाना. आई एम रियली एट अ लूज what to do and what to not. So guys, today we learned some add-ons or phrases. I hope that you enjoy these add-ons and phrases, and try to also remember these all add-ons and phrases, and time to time either in spoken or in written. Whenever you get chance, please use them. Okay, sure. Thank you so much.